addressable, but in depression it takes lots of time. So it takes lots of time. So firstly we should to addressing the depression we should know the symptoms. So what is the symptoms? It is related to suddenly change in the behavior of someone who is very extrovert. Then some reason he become extrovert, and if he or she depressed, then they totally withdraw social gathering. And it is also we can measure that for changing in behavior. And it is a mentally harass us, not physically. Physically it also affect the physically, but it is more affect the mentally. And we should talk to if it is find that someone is depressed, so they should go for psychiatrist to meet the session and take some session to overcome it. It is a now very common problem, but not so common, because we it is which we are taking, we take a problem so high. And if we are not given strength to the problem, so it doesn't become the cause of depression. Everyone should talk about problems to our anybody who do you believe you can share with them. And also parents should take initiative to their children. So if they feel depressed, or they were not active, and they are very hopeless, and they don't doing